In today's India, Muslims are being pushed to the edge, and history is warning us. From burned mosques to brutal beatings, a storm is brewing. And if it's not stopped in time, India might just witness the birth of another Pakistan. Arif was just 15. Every day, he and his father called the faithful to prayer in a small old mosque outside Aligarh. Until one day, a mob arrived. They stormed the mosque, planted a flag, and when his father asked them to stop, they responded with bricks and fire. Arif's father's head was smashed. Arif? He burned the same hand he once used to read the Quran. The next day, that mosque had a new name, Shiv Mandir. But this isn't just Arif's story, it's India's dark new reality. After losing 6 fighter jets in a border skirmish with Pakistan, India's anger didn't fall on its enemies. It fell on its own Muslim citizens. In Uttar Pradesh, 17-year-old Salman was walking home from a madrasa. A child had slipped a paper into his pocket with a Pakistani flag on it. A mob stopped him, called him a traitor, and beat him with iron rods. He's now in a coma. This isn't new. Delhi 2020, Gujarat 2002, Assam 2021, same pattern. Muslim homes destroyed, mosques burned, and bodies buried in silence. Even today, India's census undercounts Muslims. UN reports show Muslim representation in jobs, education, and healthcare is alarmingly low. Despite being 14% of the population, they hold less than 5% of government jobs. Videos go viral daily. Muslim students forced to sit separately, girls harassed for wearing hijabs, mosques desecrated. In one case, a girl shouted, "Allahu Akbar," after being mocked. The next day, Indian media branded her a terrorist. But here's the twist. India thinks erasing Muslim identity will bring peace. But that's exactly what led to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. Back then, Muslims were marginalized, stripped of rights, culture, and safety. That's when Jinnah declared, "We are a separate nation." Today, history is rhyming again. Another Pakistan is in the making. Not from outside, but within India itself. And if India's leaders, Modi, Gandhi, Kejriwal, don't stop this fire, it could consume the very idea of a united India. Because when people are pushed too far, they push back.